Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Peacock subscription missing or not showing on Xfinity, subscription not appearing fix. Fix 1. Force an account link via Xfinity Assistant. First, go to the Xfinity Assistant or open your Xfinity app. In it, search for or click on the banner that says Peacock Premium Activation or Your Peacock subscription is ready for activation. Then follow the prompt, which will redirect you to the Peacock website. And there create a new Peacock account or log in with your existing one to link the service. Fix 2. Verify and sign in on your TV box. Sometimes the voice command shortcut will fail if the TV box app is not logged in. So on your Xfinity X1, Flex or Zumo TV box, open the Peacock app and select Sign In. Remember, do not click Get Offer or Sign Up. Then in it enter the email address and password you used when you originally linked your Peacock and Xfinity accounts in step 1. Fix 3. Manage subscriptions in your settings. If you want to view the status of your Peacock offer, you can verify it directly from your TV. First, go to the settings and then click on Apps and Subscription. Or you can use your Xfinity voice remote to say Manage Peacock. And you can also manage your subscriptions by logging into Xfinity, your subscriptions, and there locating the Peacock Activation tab directly. Fix 4. Clear app cache and restart. If you have already linked your account and content still refuses to load, clear the app data or device cache. First, unplug your Xfinity TV box from the power source for 20 seconds and then plug it back in. Then navigate to the Peacock app and clear the cache if available on your streaming device's system settings. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.